Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. A quality beach chair is essential for making the most of your seaside excursions, especially if you plan on spending a whole day out on the sand. From full extension loungers to compact camp chair designs, beach chairs have long evolved from difficult to open and rusty metal frames. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of backpack beach chairs on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Adjustable backrest lets you recline at 4 different angles: sit up, recline, or lay down. Lightweight and rust-proof aluminum frame maximize load capacity and minimize weight and bulkiness. Ripstop 600 denier Oxford fabric panel is durable. Head pillow and armrests provide extra comfort. With a backside storage pocket, you'll be able to fit your beach necessities for the day. The beverage holder keeps a cold one close at hand. Easy to set up. Easy to use. Folds flat for easy storage. Shoulder strap for easy carry. Number 2. Easily adjust to 4 seating positions. Sit comfortably upright or lay back and work on your tan, providing you with customized seating and relaxation. Unique and functional. Includes 4 pouches located on the side of the chair to store your keys, phone, and wallet. Features a folding towel bar on the back of the beach chair and an insulated cooler bag so you can enjoy an entire day of relaxation. Durable and lightweight. Beach chair frame is constructed of durable rust-proof aluminum, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Folded dimensions: inches, 28.74 x 26.77 inches wide by 37.7 inches high, weight capacity 250 pounds. Folding structure: vary from other normal folding chairs. These premium outdoor folding sling chairs are equipped with padded shoulder straps that make you carry them more comfortably. Comfort: these camping chairs have sponge padded head pillow which are made of waterproof and durable PVC material. And it not only could provide comfortable sitting experience. Number 3. Consisting of 2 beach chairs, this backpack chair set creates a comfortable place to enjoy leisure time. It weighs just 15.5 pounds and come with straps for all kinds of outdoor activities, so you can carry them outdoors in pairs or individually for camping, fishing or family gatherings. The back of beach chair features 5 reclining positions, allowing you to find the most comfortable angle for sunbathing, reading, or chatting. Made of solid aluminum frame, and each chair is strong enough to hold people up to 330 pounds. Premium PVC material is wear resistant for long-term use and ensures permeability. This beach chair with backpack straps features an ice pack to keep drinks cool for several hours and a towel rack for convenient use. In addition, there is a handy cup holder on both sides of the beach chair and a storage bag behind the backrest for additional storage space. Number 4. DrQuark's backpack beach chairs can adjust to 4 different reclining positions and with a lay flat option. The rear cooler pouch, which we recommend using with ice cubes to keep drinks cold while summertime. Attached cup holder and side pocket could free your hands and store your drinks, sunglasses, books and cell phone where hands could reach easily. The adjustable beach chair is made from lightweight rust-resistant steel, with a powder-coated construction that makes it even durable and sturdy. Support up to 350 pounds. Ergonomically designed beach chair is made of 100% polyester and 600D Oxford with great strength, anti-tear and wear-resisting, comfortable and breathable. Number 5. A low-back folding beach chair with a collapsible tilted umbrella compact. The umbrella is tilted and detachable. The UPF 50 Plus tilted umbrella allows you to adjust its angle, and will protect your skin from the UV rays damage. Both of the armrests are padded with thick foam which make you comfortable. 1 cup holder at your right-hand side for you to place your drink. The chair cloth is made with industrial-grade Oxford 600D polyester fabric, and the chair frame is heavy-duty steel. It is sturdy and durable. The weight capacity is 250 pounds. The folding size is only 7.5 times 5.9 times 30.7 L times W times H. The chair and the umbrella weigh only 8.3 pounds.